Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to Chrome History remove step by step. Open Chrome and click the three dots in the top right. Choose History, then History again to open the full timeline. Use Clear Browsing Data to remove recent history or select items to delete individually. Pick a time range and the types of data to clear, then confirm to finish. This process is quick and keeps your browsing tidy. To remove specific entries, open History and use the search bar to find pages or keywords. Check boxes next to entries you want to delete, then click Remove Selected Items. For quick cleanup, sort by date and select Arrange, or use keyboard shortcuts to speed selection. Remember that deleting history on one device may not remove synced entries elsewhere unless you adjust sync settings. I'll walk through each step so it's easy to follow. To clear browsing data, open Settings Privacy and Security Clear Browsing Data. Choose Basic or Advanced, pick a time range, and select data types like browsing history, cookies, and cached images. Advanced lets you remove passwords, autofill form data, and site settings, so use it carefully. After selecting, click Clear Data to complete the action. This removes stored information and can improve privacy and browser performance in a few simple steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.